Hello there, welcome to Nana's channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Today I'm not sewing, I'm just going to talk to you about these two patterns. As I said, I didn't know which one to sew. Okay, I decided to sew both of them. Okay, so today is going to be short and sweet. I cut all my pieces, so starting next week we'll start sewing one at a time. So let me bring the camera down and show you all my pieces that I've cut already. So hold on and I'll be right back. Okay, this one is just 4 pieces of the skirt itself and then the waistband, and you need 7 inches zipper. Okay, so these are my pieces. As I said, I cut them all up already, so we'll start sewing next week. So this is this piece there, and then this one, I don't think I have any pleated skirt, so that's why I wanted to sew this one with the border contrast. It's not per se contrast, it's just the same fabric, but they change how they lay it to make it look different. Okay, so these are my waistband, and it comes with pocket, which is, I'm so happy with that. And this is the border. There we go. And this is the skirt itself. This is the skirt itself. I have this beautiful fabric. So, as I said, today I'm not sewing. Just walking you through the pieces, and that will be it. So again, I decided to sew these two. Okay, these two, the red skirt and then the pleated printed skirt. Again, this is 5756, and this one is 4106. As I said, this is a very old pattern, so 4106. So this will be the end of the video. Let me bring the camera up again, and then we'll continue from there. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Sometimes we need a break to do other stuff. Okay, so as I said again, today I'm not sewing, but next week we'll start sewing. And I think I'll start with the hardest one, the printed one first, because this is very easy, straightforward. I am tired. So I'll start with the hardest one. Okay. So, there we go. I don't know why it only focuses when it covers my face. Okay, so again, this is the end of the video. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye. Thanks.